Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, January 24th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a thing that you use when you speak a language. And number 2 is a color. Please listen and write this in your notebook. How many words do you know? How many words do you know? Words. For example, hello is 1 word. Now let's make a flashcard for word. Please write word up here in the top left corner. W-O-R-D. Down here the code GN1. This means grammar noun, level 1. Also V4. This is also a top level verb. Over here the number 17 out of 17. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Word. What about you? How many words do you know? Let me know in the comments. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The tree is green. The tree is green. Green. The tree is green. It is not red or blue. Now let's make a flashcard for green. If you say green is my favorite color, green is a noun. But if you say the trees are green, then it is an adjective. All of the colors are the same. Please make a card like this. Write green up here in the top left corner. G-R-E-E-N. Down here in this corner, color 1. This means color level 1. Over here the number 5 out of 11. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like E. Green. Game over. It's time to go. Today we learned how many words? Yeah, that's a W. Do you know? What about you? How many words do you know? Let me know in the comments. And what color is the tree? Green. Very good. Is green a noun or an adjective or both? Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is something people eat, tablets, to make them strong and healthy. The missing letter is after you in the alphabet. Number 1 means to be completed, to be done, to be ended. And number 3 is when you clean the floor with a broom. You are correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye.